Avenida de Lopo Sarmento de Carvalho, Tirapu da Malu. E não sei se tem skins em Lopo Sarmento de Carvalho, move to Macau. Commodore of Portuguese voyages to Japan in 17 and 1632. Lopo Sarmento de Carvalho was here, where the Grand Prix now drives their nice cars. Lopo Sarmento de Carvalho was here.
Been here in a long time, but they have the we're going to be following the street because they set up the Grand Prix on this street, so you can see a little bit of that. So we're gonna just take a look. So later all the race cars will be going down this way, and they have a temporary way to go around that. Then you have Grand Lisboa. This is actually a casino as well. They're doing some restoration. That's goes up to San Francisco. This is San Francisco Garden is over on that side. They're still setting up some of the Grand Prix stuff, so it'll go, the cars will go up that, all the way up that way too. And our focus street would be this one. So let's check it out. We'll go down to where the stadium, the bleachers are at. So stay tuned. Let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Okay, so you got the Grand Prix all set up. Let's take a quick look this way. So all of that's the Grand Prix right there. So we're gonna walk down Avenida de Lopo Sarmento de Carvalho. So you can see some of it goes up that way, some of the Grand Prix. It'll kind of go up into these hills and then it'll come down into this little area, and they'll have some bleachers down here which we're gonna definitely see. And they don't have this set up all the time, but they have it set up now. A lot of tourists in this area. So this area would be like the casinos over here are the Cotai side is the one with the glamorous, most beautiful casinos. Then over here would be like an older set, I guess, best way to say it. All the original stuff. missing right there. So, okay. So we have some casinos down that way. There's Compact Fortuna casinos right there. Got some interesting murals as well. Compact, that one's Compact. So let's kind of meander around this way. Straight steel. Okay. That's kind of interesting, Santiago. So some of these will have like Cuba references in different, this one has Santiago. There's a Cuba, Santiago, Cuba, okay. So usually they'll have Havana, and then they also have other ones too. It's a little street with, you can buy a bunch of random stuff down that way. So we'll just walk all the way down. And then we're gonna walk down towards the bleachers. This street has a lot of like stuff for the mainland market. There's Chinese medicine to the left. They'll have gold, there's glasses, pharmacy stuff. There's the Wynn Casino. I guess I haven't filmed down here in a long time. Okay. There's the Wynn Casino, and then also the Hotel Yoho Treasure Island, and then that's the Lisboa. And Grand Lisboa is on the other side. The little Honda motorcycle there. Okay. Let's keep on going down. And our street's gonna end where these bleachers are at. Let me walk down those bleachers a little bit. So this right here would be where the Grand Prix will come around this corner right here. So I think they, let me see, they also, there's some more barriers there. I forget how it works. I think I heard something like they have to come around real fast around here, so they have to slow down so the people at the bleachers actually kind of see them more than they can in another spot. So anyways, that was our target street down that way. And then we're gonna finish our street, I guess on the bleachers. Some of this stuff will look really nice at nighttime. I'll just show you a little bit more. But that right there is Star World Casino, Hotel, Wynn Casino, Wynn Casino. Then down this whole area will be more tourists everywhere. We'll just kind of take a look down a little bit. This is Foshan Street. Down in the distance you can see San Francisco. There's like used to be like a military barracks that, because this what we're walking on now is all ocean, so that used to be where the we're in the middle of the ocean now. So that military barracks, that pink building that was down that street, that one would have overlooked the ocean, and that's where you'd, you know, have some protection. Okay. We're just gonna come down to the end, and then in this area we're just gonna come to this spot. I haven't been in here in ages. And then there's another Grand Prix entrance right there. And there you go. It's all Grand Prix. So I guess you got a little taste of our street. You got to see some of the casinos in this area, what it looks like. You can also people live up in these apartments as well, so they're kind of intermixed in this area. This area is called Nape. Zape. I think we're technically on Zape, and then across the street is Nape. Okay. So I guess on that note, I'll end our video. So yeah, we basically did that street on the other side of these buildings.